Now we are in the part 2 of our Spring Boot CRUD application video. So last week we stopped on the login website. So in the last video we stopped on the login website. If I run this one, you can see it will facilitate the login function, but there will be nothing else. That means dashboard part is not completed. So for example, if I move into home page, it will be something like this. When after admin login, username will be admin, password will be password, login. So we are getting white label error page. That means we can't find the particular website, that is server error, right? Server can't find. So because we haven't created that page yet. Okay, so for that, in the employee control you can see we have used employee. Inside employee slash URL will be index. Now we are going to create index page. So we can create new file index.html. This is our employee dashboard. So I'm going to copy default code we'll copy from the home page. Control C, Control V, then now we will remove this middle section. Okay, so after that I'm going to create division class will be, this will be container, margin y-axis will be 5. So display will be flex, justify content, reduce between, align items, center. I'm going to put margin button as 4. Okay, we'll add the form for the logout button. Now we already log in, so we are going to add logout button. Be equal to logout. Method will be post and style will be display inline. Okay, now our form is complete, but we need to add the button to complete. So button will be type submit class button danger, and also we'll make this a small button, size should be small. Okay, so this will be logout. So after that I'm going to add a link to add new employee or create new employee. Employee slash show new employee form. Button will be button success, margin button will be 3, and I'm going to put some shadow. FA plus circle. We will use bootstrap icon also. Add new employee. I'm going to put a space here after icon. Then now we will show the whatever values we are returning from the database table. Responsive table will be there. Okay, so table header will be, first we are getting the first name. So these are the values we are getting from this employee model, right? Actually in database we have this model. If I open database, if I refresh this one, you can see now we have table with the columns ID, email, first name and last name. So we are going to that things here. First name, last name, then now we can mention email after that action. Right, so now we are moving into the table body section. When it comes to table body section, so we are going to load this from the time lib. th.each equal employee. So list employees. Have we got this one? So in the controller class, you can see we are returning this one, right? List employees. From this one, table data will be th.text first name, finally we have email. And also I'm going to add actions. For that we will add two small button. Employees, show form, for update. We will send ID. Then not we will get the ID will be equal to dot ID. Class will be button, button danger, and button small. So this one is for delete. And also I'm going to add on click event for this one. On click it will return confirm. So there will be alert box. We will close this one in the below line. I'm going to put a message. You want to delete this employee or something like this. Okay, now it is fine. Then we can put the name will be delete. After that it will delete the particular employee. Okay, we'll try to run this one again. And login again, password. Okay, now you can see we have this one, right? Still we can't see any variable because database is empty. So we have logout button. and also we have add employee button. So we'll create add employee button now. That means add employee page. New file, add. I'm going to make this as a new employee, right? We gave new employee.html as the name. We'll copy home.html code for this one, and we'll remove this middle section. Right, so division also need to get div class will be container, margin y-axis will be 5. So here I'm going to add some input field to add first name, last name, and email of a new employee as a user input. I'm going to put some style also. Maximum width will be 600 px. Our title will be margin bottom will be 4 and text will be center align. Add new employee. Then we can create a form. Time with action will be save employee, object will be employee, method will be post. Label for this one is for the first name, so the not input field, input type will be text, time field will be first name, form control. Okay, so I'm going to take a copy of this one for the last name and email. So this one for the last name, and next one is for the email. So type will be email. ID also will be email. Right, now it is complete. Now we can add the button to submit. I'm going to add some gap. Type will be equal to submit. Class will be button success. This will be a large button. Save employee. Okay, so now this one is complete. If you want, we can put the back to dashboard button also. Okay, we'll add that one also, right? After form, I'm going to add horizontal line, some space. Then after we'll add division class text center. Employees. So it will navigate into the home page of the dashboard. Button will be secondary color. So back to employee list. If you want, you can put. Okay, I'll keep it like this. So after that, I'm going to create update button or update page also. Then we will run the final one. So for that, we can use our same page for the update. Edit employee HTML. Right, so this time we are working with the update page, right? For this one, we need to load the old information, right? We need to load old information. That means we are going to edit old information. For that, we will put the hidden field also. Input type will be hidden. We are getting the value from the backend. And the employees. So we got the first name. Then now we can move into the last name, email. After that, we can change this into update employee. Right, same thing. Then now we can put the back to employee. So we had complete edit employee and also update employee. Okay, now we will run our project and we will check how it is working. I'm going to change this title, employee update employee insert employee dashboard admin login. Right, so this is our page. Check the code for the update. We'll rerun our project now. Okay, let's log in and check whether this is working or not. Admin password. So now I'm going to add a new employee. Right, so I will be able to add a new employee. First name will be solo developer sd@gmail.com, save employee. You can see now it is inserting into the database. I'm going to add another one. So second user su@gmail.com. Now insert is working. So let's see whether delete is working. It does. Delete also working. Then I will be able to edit. Instead of user, I'm going to put third and update employee. You can see update also working. Then we can do the logout and kind of things. Right, so now we have successfully completed this one. So I will share this entire file, that means entire project as a GitHub link in the description you can find. So if you have any issues, you can comment down.